Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, we're gonna see if we can add our Transferwise Debit Mastercard into Cash App as a payment option. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Cash App, it is a popular peer-to-peer payment app. So a lot of times folks will use this to split bills if you go to like a restaurant or maybe the grocery store, if you're splitting 50-50. This way you can easily split an exact dollar amount. Also, a lot of times you can use it to send family and friends money. So I use it sometimes when I'm sending someone a gift for their birthday or for holidays. But can you add your Transferwise Debit Mastercard into the Cash App as a payment option? That's what we're going to look into. So first off, I'm going to open up the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, I went ahead and opened up the Cash App, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, you can request money, pay money. You can also see your balance on your Cash App. You can check the price of Bitcoins, but we're not going to worry about that. In order to add a debit card or a payment option, you want to click down here on the balance, and a brief rundown on what the Transferwise Debit Mastercard is. Basically, Transferwise is a payment transfer system also. So I use this to send money overseas when I need to pay for something. So they also have a banking function. They have a lot of different functions with this company, but with their bank account, you can carry different types of currencies. So you can have Mexican pesos, you can have American dollars, all in one bank account and use it off of this debit card. Be sure to go back and watch my other video and explains that a little bit further, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to add it into my Cash App. So I'm gonna click right here on this balance. Mine says 185. Yours might say something different, but I'm gonna click there now. All right, once you click there, then it brings up this option. So it shows your balance, add cash into your Cash App. You can cash out, check Bitcoin, check your cash balance, but we're not gonna worry about that. In order to add a debit card or a credit card to your Cash App, you wanna click right here where it says add bank. So if you've already attached another bank to your Cash App, you'll wanna go ahead and delete that. I've already deleted mine. So now you'll just get this generic function, add bank. I'm gonna click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this option pops up. It says add bank using your debit card. So they're asking for the 16-digit number to my Transferwise Debit Mastercard. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered that 16-digit number into the Cash App. Now it's asking for the expiration date, CVV number, and zip code that's attached to my Transferwise Debit Mastercard. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered in all of the required information, and this green button pops up right here, add card. So I'm gonna go ahead and click there now. All right, it's thinking. All right, it looks like it did go through. So down here at the bottom, it says debit card, and then it shows the last 4 digits of my Transferwise Debit Mastercard. And the interesting thing is that I got a pop-up from Transferwise letting me know that Cash App was checking the debit card number. So it looks like they ran a verification check on the Transferwise Debit Mastercard before it was entered in, and then Cash App accepted it. So now it's entered into my bank information right here. So it looks like, yes, you can use your Transferwise Debit Mastercard with Cash App. If you have a different experience or you were not able to add your Transferwise Debit Mastercard into your Cash App, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.